Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create a one-page website for your restaurant. So Mighty Sites is the easiest system to do this. It's only $9 a month. There's a 7-day free trial. If you're looking to build a website for your restaurant, especially a one-page website, this is where you want to start. So just start your free trial and then search for a restaurant template. There are all types of different restaurant templates in here. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll just select the generic restaurant template. And then all you need to do to create your one-page website for your restaurant is just first type in the name of your restaurant. So I'll just type in here Keegan's Restaurant and then put in where you're located. So I'll just use Raleigh, North Carolina here. And then business type. Again, Mighty Sites works for all types of different businesses, but we're doing restaurants, so I'll just click on restaurant, continue. Now, all I do next is I type in my phone number, and then I can type in my email too if I want that, so I'll just type that in now, and then click continue. Then you put the address for your restaurant, and almost done here actually. So I'll put in 21. And then I'll just click continue. Now you put in your hours. So let's just say you're open from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then let's say you have different hours on Friday, Saturday. So let's say 10 until, let's say 10 p.m. on Friday and Saturday. Continue. And then how about on Sundays you're closed? All right. So if that's the case, we check to make sure everything looks good. And then Mighty Sites will instantly generate a simple professional website for your restaurant. So you can see now, here is a simple professional restaurant website. It's a one-page website and it has everything you need to launch and market your business. So you can see here that it also even wrote all the text for me. So you can see Raleigh, North Carolina, and it pulled in all these images. Now, all of these pictures are pre-licensed for you to use. So if you want to launch the website just like this and make edits later, you can definitely do that. Or you can add in your own images really easy. So I'll give you a little sense of how you do that next. So now to make edits to the one-page restaurant website template, you just go to update section. You can go in here and let's just say I want to show my email on the website. I just check that button, save it, and that's good to go. If I want to add my social media links, I just add in my social media links. Let's just add my Facebook page too. And you would just copy and paste your links. And now all of a sudden those populate there. You can see in the top, great. So now I've got my social media links populated. If I want to go to update this section, I can add any menu items that I'd like to. So if I want to add more links, and then I can just choose wherever I want those to link to different places on my website or to different actions that people can take or upload PDFs or link to another website. That's all there and easy to do. I can update my location information, but let's just say I want to add my logo. That's really easy. If you don't have a logo, I'd suggest using canva.com. It's really easy to use. You can go over here to create a design. You can just select logo. And once you select logo, you come in here and you can actually just search. So let's just say restaurant logo, and then it's going to show you all types of different logos. So instead of paying to have one designed, this is really cheap and easy to use. You can just go in and pick one that you like and looks good. I'll just select this one for now. And then you can customize it in here to say whatever you want, but I'll just leave it as is. Let's just say Keegan Restaurant logo. So now I'll just download that. Always smart to use a JPEG. So I'll download that image and now I'll just go back over here and I'll just upload my logo from my computer. And as soon as this is done uploading, then all that I'll do next is just save my logo, and then I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller, right? It's really easy to control. I can save it, and then there's a little pencil icon here, so I can just click on that, and then I can crop it. So I'll probably crop this down a little bit to make it fit a little bit better. I could add filters, so if I want to add filters to the logo, or if I want to fine tune it or annotate it, all of these tools are built in for image editing for your logo or any images that you upload to your site too. So it makes it really simple and easy to create a good looking site. So I'll just save that. And then I'll close this section, just check it out. I think that looks pretty nice. So now you can see the website is really starting to come together. So the next thing that I'll do, if I do have order online, I'll link to that. So I'll just choose my link, copy and paste it in here. And then when someone clicks on order online, it'll go right to wherever my online ordering is. So whether that's DoorDash or Uber Eats or any other platform, Toast, anything like that that I use, or Google Business Profile to link to online ordering, I can link that right there. Or if I don't want that to be online ordering, I can also just change it. So if I want to change it to something like, reserve a table, right? And then I have people call. So I'll change my action to link to call, confirm. Then if I save that, now if somebody clicks on it, reserve a table, and they're on their phone, it'll automatically call me so they can make a reservation at my restaurant, if that's how it works. Get directions is the other call to action. So again, it'll open up in Google Maps. A lot of people will visit your website on their smartphone. They'll click on that get directions and they'll drive right in to get a seat at your restaurant. And then right here is view our menu. So again, I can make any edits to the text to any of these sections really easy. I just open it up. I can say this is a one-page restaurant website template. Right, so I can type that in and then I can update my menu. So view our menu. Most common thing you'll probably want to do is upload a PDF of your menu. So if I just browse, I actually have a menu example here on my computer. So I'll just upload that. It's just a simple PDF. I'll confirm it, click save, close. Now if somebody comes to my website and clicks on that, it links directly to my menu. And then I can use that link too for a QR code as well. So again, I can update any of these images, change them out. I can also change the colors of the site. So if if my brand is more green, or if it's blue, or if it's like an orange, yellow, you can just play around. There are all types of different color themes here. So you can just pick the one that you prefer and change your whole website theme over. So no playing around with like a funny, difficult to use color palette generator or anything like that. You just literally click through all these different color themes and just find the one that you prefer for your business. So once that's all set and you're done, you can go to stop editing and you can see what it looks like without those update buttons there. So just as a customer would see it, you can go to your site dashboard and connect your domain. So all you do is paste in your domain from Google, GoDaddy, domain.com, wherever you've registered your domain. You just paste it in there, and then there's a really quick walkthrough that gives you the instructions to provide to your website or your domain registrar so that you can get your one-page restaurant website up and running really quick and easy. And so just like that, you can always come back here and make edits when you change hours or update anything here. But just like that, you can have a simple professional website online for your business in less than a couple minutes. Literally, the website template is instantly created for you, and then it's just whatever edits you want to make to the site after that to have a simple professional website, one-page website for your restaurant. So good luck getting started.